Okay, we got about 3 cups of meal. Gonna add half a cup flour plus another half a cup of flour.
Mommy.
Gonna add 3 small eggs.
No, let Max come order.
1, 2, 6 half tablespoons, which would be 3 tablespoons of
Make them order.
baking powder.
Can I do it?
Yeah. 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it up. Keep it in the thing now. Yeah, I have heavy whipping cream, and I have, let me call it, how gently might have a little taste of milk, a little bit of milk. Okay, and we'll add our milk and start working. Okay, go. Okay.
Me?
Let's scoop you up some more.
Me? Mommy?
Yeah, scoop it up. Pat it in there. You gotta get good. You gotta go back and forth now. Look, you have to put it back and forth in your hand. Now. There.
No,
You gotta put some more grease on there and get you some more. Get it real good. There you go. Right, we'll get you some. Okay, guys. There's our pone bread. I did turn this one over, but I'll get out the other pan. Here we go, the other pan. Usually, guys, you can just kind of push right through it. Mowing Wilder helped make bread today, so I'm not sure if it'll do like it normally does. That one's kind of stuck.
I like corn pigs.
You like cornbread?
Yes. Oh no.
You see, there's your back side, all pretty and brown, just like that one. All right, here's our pone bread.